loolu bul ko gëm wax yooyu di ko jël di ko def sa xol daf lay sonal non man ak sa yaay la loolu da bàyyi jooy
Dieynaba, elle a osé me dire que sincèrement, elle aime une autre personne.
Baa du li ma yaakaar lu njëkk
léegi pourquoi nga mën a xalaat ngay xalaat ay maxu
mais parce que moom rek moo mën a nekk ci xelam kan la njëkk sëyal
li ngeen ko bokk tribunal yow rek fi nekkal et vas-y on t'attend
Dieynaba Tall bëgg na xale bi
yow yaa ngi yor sa jabar a ngi ëmb yow nga ne yow sa yaay yow du dund yow bànneex yow Paco gis
papa nag mooy rus nii ci loolu
déedéet fan lay càmm
papa nag kon sa jabar la de
jëkkër ju baax ni day sëy ak moom àndandoo sàmm la yow
kon nag defal jàmm
yow soo amee problème ak sa jabar man lan moo ci sama yoon
dama lay ñaan rek nga dimbali ma si tu peux sauver au moins.
Assalamualaikum fans ye Bété Bété. Episode 52 is shaping to be one of the biggest turning point of season 3. After the shocking events of episode 51, the story is no longer about hiding secrets. Now it's about facing the consequences. Here is our predictive preview for episode 52 trailer. Marème versus Alkali. The explosion began. The trailer could open with complete silence inside the Sall household. But that silence won't last long. Expect a massive confrontation between Marème and Alkali after the truth revealed in episode 51. Marème, determined to protect the Guéér family reputation, may finally give Alkali an ultimatum about Diouma. Alkali's secret is no longer private. Now it threatens the entire family's status and honor. Diouma faces the truth. The legacy of blood storyline is expected to become the center of episode 52. Diouma is no longer just a hidden daughter. She is now directly connected to the family conflict. The trailer may show a tense scene between Diouma and Ndiaga Thiam. Ndiaga's anger towards Alkali could start affecting everyone around him, especially Diouma. For the first time, Diouma may be forced to choose the family that raised her or the painful biological truth. The caste conflict returns. One of the strongest friendships in the series, Alkali and Mahudia may finally begin to crack. Their friendship has always represented unity between different social classes, but now everything is under pressure. If Marème starts pushing to Dinag's narrative again to protect the Sall family image, Mahudia could become trapped in the middle of the conflict. Episode 52 may tease a heartbreaking fallout between two lifelong friends, chaos inside the families. As tension rises, every household could begin falling apart. In Mahudia's homes, the rivalry between the two wives may grow even worse, reflecting the chaos happening in Alkali's family. At the same time, the community may begin choosing sides. We could see beginning of a social war where rumors, accusations, and public judgment become more dangerous than the law itself. Final prediction. Expect the trailer to end with a shocking final scene. Maybe a physical fight, maybe someone leaving home with a suitcase, or a dramatic walkout that changes everything forever. One thing is clear, after episode 52, the Sall family may never be the same again. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. This is Episode Valley signing off for now.